124 marks, 3 weapons. You know the problem. This video is the solution. I'm going to show you right here, right now, live. In my last video, I showed you 3 weapons that NTA used to destroy NEET 2025 aspirants in biology. The King, 60 marks, Queen, 52 marks, and Joker, 12 marks. So 124 marks gone. But here is the thing that nobody tells you. You cannot beat these weapons by just reading NCERT one more time, and you cannot beat this by solving the PYQs of 2018 or 2019, because NTA didn't have those patterns that time. NTA has changed their game and you need to change your game. That's why we built something different. 3 sections. All these 3 are weapons against NTA's weapons. Number 1, the King. Multi-statement questions. The problem is you have not read 5 or 6 statements together under pressure and evaluated them against each other to find the right combination of the statement. Nobody gave you those questions to practice until now. Look at this. 5 statements from different subtopics of the same chapter. You have to evaluate these statements against each other and find out which of these statements are correct. Same pressure, same traps. You got the answer wrong. Look at the explanation. You don't have to worry. The explanation is provided very clearly, and most importantly, the NCERT reference, which page, which section, and exactly which line is actually provided here. No other app does this. You solve 50 of these questions, you develop a system in your mind. And those 15 questions that destroyed 60 marks in NEET 2025, you're actually going to save 20 minutes from those questions to save more time for physics. Number 2, the Queen. Assertion reasoning and 2 statement traps. 52 marks in NEET 2025. Now look at this. Assertion. Bryophytes and pteridophytes show different dominant phases in their life cycles. Reason: in bryophytes, the dominant phase is the sporophyte, while in pteridophytes, the dominant phase is the gametophyte. You might look at this and see assertion is right, reason is also right, and reason explains assertion. But it's not. The assertion is true and the reason is false. The relationship has been reversed here, because in bryophytes, the dominant phase is the gametophyte, and in pteridophytes, the dominant phase is the sporophyte. This is how NTA sets traps in assertion and reasoning type of questions. We have 2000 of these assertion and reasoning type of questions covering every single trap that NTA might trap you into. Just solve 50 of these questions and your brain stops falling into the intuition traps and start trusting only the NCERT lines that's deeply rooted in your brain. Next, match the following type of questions. We actually have 3 column matches. Look at this. NTA actually asks 2 column matches. We train you for 3. We are overtraining you so that when NTA actually asks 2 column matches, it feels like child play to you. Just imagine if you are a cricketer who's playing with a heavy bat, playing with a normal bat feels like nothing to you. Weapon 3, the Joker. Sequence-based questions. Look at these sequence-based questions. There is actually no trick to solve these questions right. You have to remember the exact sequence just as given in NCERT to get these questions right. What we did, we took every single order, every single sequence, every single process that is given in NCERT, and we have converted them into sequence-based questions, so that when NTA asks you a sequence-based question, you're not remembering it roughly. You know the sequence exactly. So let me sum it all up. We have 12,771 questions, out of which 8,000 questions are all format MCQs, which covers all formats, and we have special 2,000 NEET 2025 style long form MCQs, which covers your 5-6 statement multi-statement questions, 2 column, 3 column, match the following type of questions, and your sequence based questions. And then we have 2,000 assertion and reasoning questions, which covers all the traps, NTA traps separately as a section. So total 12,771 questions. Everything I showed you on the screen is right now live in the Medic NEET app. NEET 2026 will have the same trap. The King is not going anywhere. The Queen is there. The Joker is always there. But the only question is, are you gonna go prepared or you're gonna go blindly hoping? The link of the Medic NEET app is given in description. Go start preparing today, not tomorrow, today. right now. Until then, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy learning.